Hello, Jason here, and today's video will save you thousands and thousands of pounds, especially if you're buying a house with a septic tank. So let's say you've just bought a house with a septic tank. What are some of the problems that you might encounter? Well, they're pretty simple. Okay, the first problem is if your septic tank is connected to your neighbour's property, or is on your neighbour's property, then you'll have to pay 50% of all the bills regarding anything that they do to their septic tank. So if they get it emptied, if they replace it, you've got to go hard with them, full stop. Number two, most of the people I get ringing me with or connected to a shared system is to do with legal problems because they don't want to pay half the running costs or deal with half the problems. Then it ends up in loads and loads of legal disputes. So that's problem number two. And problem number three is that you would find it very hard to sell your house if that's the case. So if that's the problem, what is the solution? Well, that's a very good question, isn't it, really? So let me show you an amazing, simple solution. All right. Basically, all you need to do is get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit. Why is that a simple and cost-effective solution? Well, because these septic tank and soakaway kits, right, they're cheap to buy. That's number one. Number two, any builder can install them literally within a couple of hours. So you don't have to spend 10, 20, 30, 40,000 pounds installing a whole new sewage system, obviously depending on the number of bedrooms you've got. And number three, you won't have to go halves with your neighbours anymore. Just cut yourself off from their system, end of problem. And number four, right, as I said, no more neighbour problems. And number five, you can easily sell your house. So now let me show you how easy it is, right, to cut yourself off from your neighbour's system. Have a look at this. So here we've got two houses, okay? And so let's say that's your neighbour's house here on the left, and let's say this is your house here. Now, in your neighbour's house here, right, they will have somewhere in their garden a septic tank. There it is, right? Okay, so that's the septic tank connected and situated in your neighbour's garden. So let me show you how this works, number one. Okay, so your neighbour will have a pipe leading directly from their house to their septic tank, and you will have a pipe going from your house, let me just do this, to their septic tank. Okay, so that's how it works basically. So all their waste and all your waste all go down those two pipes and end up in the septic tank there. So now let me show you how easy it is for you or your builder to cut yourself off. So now let's go to your garden, right? So I'm going to give you an aerial view here. So the first thing you need to do, as I said, is get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit. All right. Now, when you've done that, right, you just need to, the first thing you need to do, right, is dig yourself a trench. Let me show you that. So you need to dig yourself a trench, right? So don't worry about that pipe that's already connected and going into their septic tank. You just dig yourself a new trench. Now, that trench can be as long as you want it. Basically, that trench will end, i.e. here, where you want to install your septic tank. So the next thing you're going to do is dig a hole for your septic tank. There you go. That's pretty simple, isn't it? Then the next thing you want to do is dig a hole for your soakaway and a little hole in between to connect the inspection chamber. So that's basically what the holes will look like. Now this gets even easier now, right? In the first hole, you put your septic tank, right? Okay. In the second hole here, you put your inspection chamber, like so. And in the big hole here, you just put your soakaway. And in this instance, this consists of septic tank soakaway crates. Then once you've done that, let me give you an aerial view now and zoom in. There we go. So once you've done that, once you've put your septic tank and your inspection chamber and your drainage field crates in, you then literally just connect them with pipes. So you put a pipe from the septic tank to the inspection chamber. You then put a pipe right from the house to your septic tank, and the next thing you do is just put a pipe from the inspection chamber to the crates. Job done. You then cover the crates with a special membrane that comes free with the crates, and that is basically job done. It really is as simple as that. So let me show you now what this looks like. So if I zoom out a bit, so here now you've got your house, you've got a pipe leading from your house to your new septic tank, which then goes to your soakaway. So then what you do up here, let me show you what you do now. So remember this existing pipe here? Well, all that you need to do is disconnect that pipe. So let me disconnect that pipe for you. Hold on. So let me just do that. Dum. So you just disconnect and decommission that pipe that originally led to their septic tank. So there you go. Now you've got your very own, right? If I give you an aerial view now, you've now got your very own septic tank and sewage system, which your builder or groundsman or anyone who's competent with a digger can install literally within, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours, something like that. And then once it's done, then you just cover everything over with soil. So let me cover it all over with soil for you now. So there we go. We covered that over, we cover that over, we cover that over, and we cover that over. Job done. And that's how neat and tidy it looks. And there you go. That is how to basically resolve and solve all the problems with buying a house that's on a shared septic tank system. So I hope that video has helped you. As I said, it will save you thousands of pounds and a lot of trouble. That's how I got into the business, because I was on a shared septic tank and soakaway. It was giving me a lot of grief, the neighbours were. It was costing me £90 a week to get their tank emptied, and it made me and my wife ill. And so I put my own system in, end of problem, and I could just sell my house and get out of there. So that's why I make these videos, because I love helping people. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV. You'll see my Septic Tank TV channel there. And if you subscribe to it, right, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So once again, thank you for watching. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.